your parliament. You're free to respond to any question. The question that you feel they're not part of or they will not add to the submission, would like to ask you even not to attend. It's within your rights. All we need to do is to make sure that you get to the bottom of what actually happened. But before you start your presentation, I'd like to give you comfort that all the members seated in this room are seated in this room because they are performing an oversight role. Now, this oversight role is reflected in the Constitution, and all these members took an oath of office and an oath of allegiance to this country. So out of the same, they are here just to discharge their duties, and when you're in Parliament, you're assigned to different committees. Now, they were assigned to this committee, Public Accounts, and the Public Accounts has several powers, and in pursuant to Standing Order 151, or the Public Accounts Committee, like any other committees of the House, Public Accounts Committee has several powers, and I'll just read to controlling officer. 1, to summon or subpoena any person to attend and give evidence before a committee at a stated time and place. In this case, you were given a letter, the communication got to you stating that you're supposed to appear before Parliament. Like I indicated earlier on, my apologies and the apologies from the committee because we're extremely overwhelmed with the other stakeholders who appeared before you. You are the third one. So you're here under such powers. And the other one, for the sake of this engagement tonight, to require any person to disclose and produce to the committee any papers